Welcome to the 8th edition of World Intellectual Property Forum. The inaugural ceremony will be starting in few minutes.
Namaskar to all dignitaries who have spoken before me, and also to all other dignitaries who are speaking after me, and all the audience. Welcome to this World IP Forum 2020. I would like to congratulate Naveen Agarwal and Jeet Agarwal for holding this World IP Forum 2020 online and during this COVID pandemic which has spread all over the world. And the important topic they have chosen, intellectual property in Atmanirbhar Bharat, innovate, protect and promote. It's a great slogan considering the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission which Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has started. And intellectual property policy of Government of India 1916 also talks about creative India and innovative India. So one of the recent cutting edge disruptive innovations is artificial intelligence. It's a creation of human mind, but the question of copyright protection comes to the AI generated literary works and artistic works. Many people wonder that whether AI machines can be granted copyright authorship, copyright ownership, and how this entire ecosystem has to be treated when AI machines are also introduced in creation of copyright works. Now, we're all aware that entire copyright system, it depends and inextricably interlinked with the human creations and creations of human mind. So especially the copyright expression, which has to be not only the original expression, the expression of human mind is associated with the person or a human who expresses his thought or idea that comes out from his entire bringing up in the family, his educational background, his knowledge which he has acquired, accessing to various information, various subjects, and cultural background, and the society which he is living in, and also his intellect and his psychology. Everything is reflected in the work, whether it is a literary work or artistic work or a music he creates or a painting he paints. So it is very, very important how we equate AI generated literary and artistic works to the human created artistic works and literary works. That is the question. How to extend authorship to a machine because it is autonomously creating a literary work or artistic works. But we all know that AI machines or algorithm, whether it is a machine learning or a deep learning, are not totally autonomous, because by creating a literary work or a painting, one has to feed thousands of documents, data of photographs, data of paintings, data of documents to these AI machine learning machines. And then they segregate and separate and learn and identify this, and they demonstrate while creating a new work depending upon the data which has been fed to them. So when human mind is involved in creating these algorithms and feeding this data, providing this data to them, and also taking a decision. So which algorithm has to do this, whether which machine learning has to do this task or which neural network has to do this task. It is very important to decide at final outcome as well. So how to deal with this is very, very important. And also there should be some theoretical justification in providing copyright protection to these AI algorithm machines. So they are not totally independent, they are not totally autonomous. So how they can be recognized as authors? Another question is the very IP system and copyright system is associated with human intellect, and a copyright system is original human expression. How to identify that the works created by algorithms, AI based machines are original works? Because when you feed data to them, they come out with the similar information collected, collated, mined from this data and these sources. So originality test is a difficult test to pass for AI generated works. And then one more thing is, the most important thing is IP concepts is the incentive theory and reward theory. So it is human who has been continue to create works. He has to be given incentives, rewards. So incentive theory has originated because of it is human, the natural person who is creating these works. So whether this can be attributed to a machine, AI machine, giving rewards and incentive to a machine. So that is another question. So the entire system of copyright is depend on the creativity of a person, depends on the incentive theory and reward theory, and also originality. Then question comes about the ownership of copyright. So whether AI can be owned by a machine, because the copyright, creativity, authorship is done by a human. So natural person. So person is an author. A machine cannot be a person. Machine is not a natural person. But ownership is different. Even a legalistic person can own copyright. Any organization, a company as a legal person can own a copyright. So AI can own a copyright. So another theory is, can we extend a joint authorship with a human and a combination of human and a machine, AI machine? And another theory is whether can we grant legal stick person status to a machine. So there are different theories around questioning this. One is the revolutionary school, which depends on the property-based approach, which extends copyright authorship to the machines, like AI machines. Second school is a romantic school, which is very conventional copyright school, which grants authorship of copyright to only natural person or human being. Third one is the balanced approach, that is modernistic approach, property balance approach, which recognizes authorship and computer generated works for the human beings. The person who invented that, who is the person behind the computer generated work. Similar to many countries, recognize AI authorship to only persons who is behind these computer generated works. And also the person, another person is the data provider, and another person is the user. So a combination of people have to be recognized as per the modernistic school, either for the authorship or ownership. So these are the things, but Originality is a big question. Artificial intelligence machines are not totally independent or autonomous. They are depending upon the providers. Recent Guardian newspaper's op-ed has been written by artificial intelligence. It's about 500 words article, but data was provided by an intern who is a human being. So once data is fed, artificial intelligence machine wrote that article. So very difficult at this moment, and but giving a spirit, putting a spirit in the machine, recognizing it as a person may not be good idea, but at present many countries recognize a person behind the computer generated work is author of artificial intelligence. So one has to discuss and take this forward, but a theoretical justification has to be given whether you're giving a joint authorship or legalistic person status to AI generated copyrighted works. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, and congratulations again for holding this World Intellectual Property Forum 2020. Thank you.